Hello everyone and welcome back to CBSE Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to do inning 7.5 of chapter fractions, 5th class mathematics. So if we go with it, the first one is 5 upon 8 by 5. So what we have to do, 5 upon 8 into 5, it will become 25 by 8. And if we write 25 by 8 in the fraction, we know that 8 threes are 24, 1 remainder and 8 equals to. So how I have done? We know that 8 threes are 24. Subtract, we are getting 1. So answer is 3 is quotient, 1 is remainder and 8. Go with the second one, 2 upon 7 by 9. So it will become 18 upon 7. Divide 18 by 7. 7 twos are 14. Remainder is 4. So it can be written as 2 as the quotient, 4 is remainder and 7 is denominator. 10 upon 15 by 4. So 10 upon 15 by 4. It is 40 upon 50. So if we divide 40 by 15, 15 twos are 30, remainder is 10. So it will be 2 quotient, 10 remainder, 15 as a denominator. 10 upon 3 by 6, so it will be, 3 upon 10 by 6, 3 upon 10 into 6. So 6, it will become 18 upon 10. So when we divide 18 by 10, 10 ones are 10 and subtraction 8. So 8 is remainder. So quotient is 1, 8 is remainder and 10 is, you can say, denominator. Now the second question is use repeated addition to solve the following. It means we have to add 2 upon 6 how many times? 4 times. It means what? Denominator is same. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 8 upon 6. Okay, the next one is 6 upon 9 plus 6 upon 9 plus 6 upon 9. Denominator is same. So we can write what? 9. 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 by 9. So if you want, you can further simplify also. So we can simplify or we can leave it as it is. So in this case, it is 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. So we can write here. If you want it, we can make it in the mixed fraction. So divide it by 6. So 6 ones are 6. Remainder is 2. So we can write 1 quotient, 2 remainder and 6 as the denominator. Next one is 10 by 15, 5 times. So we have to write 10 upon 15, second time 10 upon 15, third time 10 upon 15, fourth time 10 upon 15 and fifth time 10 upon 15. So 15 is denominator, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 50 upon 15. So when you divide 50 by 15, 15 threes are 45, remainder is 5, so it will be 3 quotient, 5 remainder and 15. We can further simplify it as 3 1 by 3 because 5 and 15 are the multiples of 5. Next one is 7 upon 9 8 times. So 7 upon 9 plus 7 upon 9 to 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time, 7 time and 8 time. Denominator is same. So 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 sevens are 14, 14 sevens are 21, 21 sevens are 28, 28 sevens are 35, 35 sevens are 42, 42 sevens are 49, 49 plus 7 will be 56. These are added 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 7, 35, 35 plus 7, 42, 42 plus 7, 49, 49 plus 7 is 56. Now the next one is multiplication. When we multiply and if any number in the form of denominator or numerator can be cut, we can easily cut. So 2 ones are 2 if you write see here, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So answer is 1 into 1 upon 5 into 1 equals to 1 upon 5. Or you can go straight away 3 upon 5 into 2 upon 6. So what we can go 6 upon 30. So 6 ones are 6 fives are. You can write this way also. Both are right. Choice is yours. Now in this case 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2 ones are and 2 ones are. So at denominator we have 7 and 4 and numerator 1 into 1. So it will be 1 into 1 upon 7 into 1 equals to 1 upon 7. Now in this case uh, you can say 2 ones are and 2 twos are, nothing else. So upper number is 1 into 1 into 5 and at the bottom we have 9 into 2 into 8. 8 twos are 16, 16 nines are 144 and 5. So this is answer. The next one is, if we go with it, so we have only 2 threes are and 2 twos are. So nothing else. So we have 3 into 1 and we have 5 into 8 into 2. So we have 9 and then 80. Now it has given multiplication only, so we are not simplifying. Now what is multiple inverse of any number? The multiple inverse of any number is numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. That is called multiple inverse. So if it is 1, we can simply write 12 upon 1, so it will become what? 1 upon 12. The B part will become 4 upon 3, means we have to simply reverse. C is, we can make it 9 upon 1, so it will become 1 upon 9. D part will become 20 upon 16, multiple inverse, and E part will become 6 upon 2. Very easy, I hope this is. Now the next one is we have to divide 6 upon 10 divided by 8. The multiple inverse, first we have to find out multiple inverse of 8. So it is what? It will become, so what we will do, 6 into 10 into 1 upon 8. So we will make denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator, and instead of division symbol we will put multiplication symbol and then you multiply. So it will become what? 6 upon 80, or you can say 3 upon 40 by 2. Now the second one is 16 into 12 upon 9. So when we go with it, so it will become 192 upon 9. That will become what? 64 upon 3. And if we simplify it, it will become 21, 1 by 3. How? Divide 64 by 3. 3 twos are 6. Carry this 4. 3 ones are 3. Remainder is 1. So 21, 1 upon 3. Now the next part is 2 upon 8 into 4 upon 9. So 2 upon 8 into 9 upon 4. 9 twos are 18 and 8 fours are what? 32. Or we can write both are the multiples of 2. So 2 nines are and 2 16s are. Next question. 12 1 upon 3. So 12 threes are 36. 36 plus 1 is 37 upon 3 divided by 12 5 is 60, 60 plus 1 is 61 upon 5. So what we can do right here? 37 upon 3 into 6 upon 61. So how to go with? 5 upon 61, sorry. So it will become what? 185 upon 183, and we can simply, because it is not going further, and 183 ko when we will divide by 185 by 183, 183 ones are 183, and subtract, when we will subtract 5 minus 3 will be 2. So quotient is 1, remainder is 2, and the denominator is 183. So this is answer. Let's move to E part. 12, 1, 12, 9 upon 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 1, 9 will be 21 upon 12. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 7 will be what? What will be? 31 upon 8. So we can write it 21 upon 12 into 8 upon 31. It can be written as 168 upon 372, or this can be simplified by 4 upon 31, because the reason is you have done this way, or you can straight away, I'm doing the other way. Here it will be easy because the calculations are very big here. 21 upon 12 upon 8 upon 31. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 3 1s are 3, 7s are 7 2s are 14 upon 31. Whichever way you want, you can go with. Now these are word problems. The word problem first is solve these word problems. There are 20 dogs in a pet shop. So how many dogs are there? 20. If 14 of them are brown and the rest are black, what fraction of dogs are black? So how many total? And then we have to put total number of black upon the total strength of the dogs. Let me show you. So we will write the number of dogs in a pet shop. How many dogs are there, beta? It is 20. Number of brown dogs. How many brown dogs are there? It is 14. So number of black dogs, because rest are all black, the number of black dogs will be what? 20 minus 14 equals to 6. The fraction of black dogs. How we write fraction? How many dogs are there? 6. Out of how many total dogs are there? This thing. So it will become, we can simplify it, 3 upon 10. So these are the black dogs. B part, if we go with, there are 25 bananas in the carrot. 3 upon 5 of them are spoilt. How many bananas are spoilt in number? So how many number of bananas? Equals to what? 25. Fraction of spoilt bananas equals to 3 upon 5. Number of spoiled banana कैसे करोगे बेटा? Number of spoiled bananas, 3 by 5 of 25 altogether. Of means multiplication. 3 by 5 into 25. So 5 ones are 5 fives are. So it will be 3 fives are 15. So what we do, or you can simply go with 75 by 5, choice is yours. Junior studies 6 subjects, each of 1 by 1 by 4 hour. How many time does the study in all? So number of subjects of subjects. How many subjects are all together? Equals to 6. Time spent to study each subject equals to 1 by 4 hours, or you can say 4 1 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 hours. Okay. So time spent on studying 6 subjects. It will be what? 5 by 4 for one subject, for 6 subjects it will be this thing. So 5 6 are 30, 30 upon 4. So it will become 15 by 2, or you can write 15 by 2 as, if we go with the mixed fraction, 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15 upon 2 hours. I hope it is clear. So altogether Jubin studies for 7.5 hours in all. I hope it is clear. If you like this video, if you like this explanation, please do subscribe the channel and keep practicing. I will be coming up with few more lesson innings in the coming days. Till then, keep practicing. See you in the next video.